Hello YouTube view, this is your man NG, Little Bet Big Bet Slot, back with the continue from part 1. Part 2 will show you all that I am still a homeless man and survived it through this storm as far. Limbs all around, all in the streets. Wind still blowing. I'm still right out here in it. Here further up. I'm not afraid. I got further up. This is a big sign of a big bench or something. The big white thing you see right there where the storm done blowed it over off the big balance right there, you see. See how it done blow the sign off. Wait 1 minute, let me get off my bike so I can show y'all that I'm right out here in it, in this storm, and they're doing all this while I'm out here. See right here, where they done uprooted, got the wire showing and all that. Big old sign. Let you know how hard and spots this wind off and how hard this storm. I'm riding to my little safe spot now, y'all. The wind is still high, blowing the trees everywhere in my little safe spot. It's kind of rough over here, but this where I hang out of this storm. Okay, this is my little shed. Name of the little shed I hang out up on the cabin, car wash. That's where I hang out. Storm blowing a lot of limbs and all over the place. From this big tree on side the place here. Just want y'all to see how the wind just done blowed all the limbs and how the weather wind is still real up high. I'm for to get on in here. Okay. That's my car park. Yes. Showing you one of the back. Go around and show y'all another area where I hide at when the wind get a little high in one spot. I hide in this little area right here. Top. I got another little area. I got a bunch of little areas where I can come at when the weather get bad, hide. This is another little area where I come hide at to keep the rain and the wind off me. Them the machine got the washing powder and stuff for your detergent and stuff. This is another one. I got plenty of them that I can hide up under and secure myself, safe myself from tin flying and debris flying everywhere. This is where I hide at to keep debris and stuff from flying on me. Y'all can see the trees where the wind still kind of high right now, but it ain't as bad and got the trees leaning like it once was, but it's still pretty high. Clouds still high. Oh, do y'all hear that? Do y'all hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Listen. Did you hear that? Look at the wind. Oh boy. That's what happened. That's what happened when that wind get real high. Everything just start falling apart. Okay, let me get on back down here where it's a little safe at. stuff flying, gamble on the chance of it hitting me. So that's my little safe spot. I'm gonna go on now. I got wind. It's just rattling these trees. That's the fire. That's the fire department. They're going to the emergency. They just got an emergency call. They're going. Got a few cars here and there. People, I guess, like me, taking a chance, hoping that nothing don't fly, maybe from the trees and maybe damage them or maybe damage their car. That's another fire truck going to an emergency call. Okay, I want to show y'all, this is the area that I live in, and I just want to show y'all it's like a woody area, and this is where I've been living at and how I've been living for the last 55 days. This is what I call my little home. There go where I keep my cereals hanging up there in the little imaginary cabinet. That's where I keep my little cereals and some food that I have. I keep it right in this little area right here, what you see. Down over here is my bed. This is my bed over here. This is my tent top. This is my bed, my cover, and everything right there. This is the top of my house right here. When it do rain, they help keep the rain off me. And they do a pretty good job. My cover, my bed ain't made up, but I keep all this plastic and stuff to keep it from getting so wet up. Sometimes it still get me, and the only reason it got me because when the storm hit it, I had to run for the shelter for me a safe place. But it ain't too bad that I won't be back, because on a sunny day it dries up pretty good. My best friend, she come and she wake me up some morning to take me to the casino, and that's something I appreciate she do for me. Come up in my little house and in my little spot and look all through that kind of wooded area. You know, I'm pretty. I'm not scared, but it's pretty safe. You know, no one don't really come up in here, and I say, and bother me. The police think so bad. They come up in here and bother me. So things been going pretty good for me since I met my friend. She helped me in every kind of way she could. I appreciate that. As mentioned in part 1, if you all really like this video, let me know in the comments below. please like, share, and subscribe. For those of you who would like to give a donation to help support this channel, I have a cash app, $NG, little bet, big bet, slot. In advance, thank you all and have a pleasant day.